YouTube. Today we wanted to explain to you how we built our camper van. It was a handicap van, and how we utilized the Sure Loks, the seat belts, to build the bed. Stay tuned. So here's a close-up of the Sure Lok, and all you do to put it in is you find it in its track, and then you just move it sideways until this little thing pops up to make sure that it's locked. See that? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this wrench and I'm going to use this cheater bar, which is just a long pole. Okay, so this is the cheater bar on there. You can see I just slipped it over it. And so what this does for me, because I'm not allowed to lift more than 10 pounds, I can just go like this and use that to make it a lot easier. So here's another angle of the cheater bar, and I'm just pulling it, and I walk it back, and hear it click, and that allows me to get a bolt off that is really hard to do. Simply just remove this. Just lift that up and click it out. You're left with this hole where that bolt and that washer went. So for purposes of this demonstration, I'm leaving out the lock, which would actually go right here between the bolt and the washer that you kept. I am adding 3 to make this level so that you're not have any impedance from this. Although when you do build it, special note, you're going to have to put it together and then put your wood on, because you won't be able to take it out. But all you would need to do is unscrew a bolt and you have access to taking it out.